Welcome. In this episode, we're going to build part 618, the vibrating link for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-18, the vibrating lever for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Right, let's go right plane, Sketch. It's going to be, put one circle in there, put another circle there. Going to be similar to the last one we've done, but not quite the same. The first piece is going to be similar. We go, those two are equal, and those two are equal, two circles. Let me just unhighlight everything. Center point and center point is horizontal. Now, smart dimension, it's going to be 12 mil. 12 mil, 6 mil hole, and it's going to be actually, let me just do something first. Let me put another circle in that point, and that point and that point is going to be horizontal. That dimension will be 6 mil as well. Now we got 17.5 from here to there. 17.5 from this point to that circle will be 74.5. There we go. Zoom way out, thank you very much. Now we're going to do another line from there to there and across to there. There we go. Delete that one. Now, see, this is not horizontal. So we go that line and that circle, make tangent. This circle, this line, make tangent, is now horizontal. That line, that point is going to be joined. Those two are going to be joined. These two will be tangent, the line and circle. Circle and the line. Tangent. That point in this circle will be tangent. And again there. Sorry, consonant, not tangent. My apologies. Now we go trim. One there and one there. So trim those two, so you got fully defined. It's going to be, how was that? 6 mils. So 6 mid-plane. Okay, and that's going to be steel again. Do the whole lot, thank you. Now we open up another file, File New, Part MMGS. It's going to be right plane, Sketch. It's going to be a circle, just one circle. It's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. That's going to be thickness of 12. Yes, 12. Go mid-plane. That one there, beautiful. That's going to be metal. Do that one as well. There we go. That's going to be saved as 6-17, isn't it? 18, sorry. 18. Now I'm going to call that one pin. Call the other one main. That's going to be pin. File new. We want assembly. Pin that one up. So main. Pin. Okay. It's going to be mate. This inner cylinder. Outer cylinder. Perfect. This side here and that face there is going to be flat. There we go. And okay. Zoom in. There we go. Make sure it's saved. It's going to be assembly. Where did it say the others? Let's look at it later. Let's see now. 6-18. I did too. I saved them in the wrong one. Oh, well, I'll find them later. Vibrating. There we go. That's part 6-18, the vibrating lever done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you next episode.